you guys saw, we just got the 89 Acty back from the body shop. I want to do a quick walk around. We get a lot of questions. What's the difference between the 94 Acty and the 89 Acty? A lot of things are similar, of course, the size. The biggest difference is the front bumper is different. And then the most noticeable is the headlights. Round headlights compared to the square headlights. Everything else is pretty much the same. Battery in the same location. The beds fold down. So the new one has the Mag Factory wing and flares. The 94 does not yet. Also something different, you'll notice the bar on the 94 was up and down. We removed the bar on the 89, but it went side to side. We're gonna put the rear light back. We have to make a new mount since the bar is gone, but the light's the same. And the rear is pretty much the same. Here's your oil. Here's your gas. The 89 dash is a little different. I'll show you guys the speedo. This one is manual. We'll get the status steering wheel. Inside is pretty much the same on the 94. This one already has a steering wheel, different radio. And then this one does have gray interior and the 89 has beige interior. Motor is located in the rear, of course, underneath on both. And as I mentioned, the bed fold down the same way. So biggest difference, front bumper, headlights. And I will finish off so you can see what both look like together. The 13s are loaded up and we are on our way to Wheel Warehouse to mount and balance them, and then we'll head back to the house to get them installed. Alright boys and girls, welcome back to the video. We just took off the stock 12s. For those asking, it is a 19mm socket for the stock lug nuts. And now we're going to put on, oh, of course, what I hate the most is guys who leave their sticker on and drive on it. So we're going to take the sticker off and put, so these are 13x6s, 4x100 lug pattern. We can check the fitment. Center board clears. Got black lug nuts. Of course, the tool. No one's breaking anything. Putting the new wheels on. I finally got the tool.
A 19-inch socket set?
Yeah. All right. And now we're going to lower it. See that? All right, so these are 13x6, 4x100. So there's still some room for us to come out, which is good. Let me back up. So as you can see, these are 13x7s. Of course, there's no flare, but they're gonna stick out a little bit more. So we're actually gonna put this wheel on so we could do a comparison. But we've got plenty of room and plenty of clearance. Getting a little late and dark, but got a long day tomorrow, so I want to get these wheels on, Gonna put the rears on, and then we'll show you guys what they look on, how the wheels look on the car, front and back. So again, 19 mil, loose in the stock lugs, okay, and then the jock. We'll get better angles tomorrow when it's sunlight, but this is a 13x6 with the Mag Factory flare, and you can see there's some clearance. This is a 13x7. Of course, no flares yet, but you can see how aggressive it is. Again, this is a 4x114 with an adapter for the conversion. This is a straight 4x100, 13x6. 13x7. I'm gonna do the fronts right now because those are 13x6s in the front, so we compare it to stock. What's up, guys? We are here with our 89 Acty. We just got the new wheels installed. Paint job is done, so I'm gonna do a quick walk around. We're getting a lot of questions on Instagram, on the Chin Edition page, and also we teamed up with the guys on Instagram on We Love Honda Actys. It's an IG page you can check out. I'll put the link below. Getting a lot of questions about like wheel specs. The Acty's kind of blowing up right now, which is kind of cool. So I'm gonna answer some questions that we've been getting about wheel sizes, tire sizes, the solid Mag Factory wing and the flares and things like that. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around. That's gonna be the end of this video, and then for the next video we're actually gonna get the status seats installed, the steering wheel, and finish off the final details of this build. So let's get going and let's take a quick walk around. So the biggest question we get asked about the Acty is what size wheels we can do. So these are 13s. Some people have done 14s, some people have done 15s. These look a little bigger, of course, because they're one piece, but these are 13x6, 4x100 bolt pattern. So there's no spacer and no adapter. And as you can see with the fitment, we did do the Mag Factory flares, but the fitment is pretty good. No rubbing. This is on stock suspension. It does have a Meteor tire, a 180 60-13 compared to the 175-50 that we have on the other Acty, but for stock height, no issues with clearance. So it's been pretty good. So as you guys know from the previous video, we did the Mag Factory rear flares, front flares, also the roof wing. We're waiting for the trunk wing to arrive. The only thing from Mag Factory we didn't do on this car right now is the front bumper, because shipping from Japan is just ludicrous. They want $880 just for shipping. So this is the stock bumper. Oh, fire truck. This is the stock bumper that we painted white. Orange bumper inserts, of course. This is an 89 with the round headlights. It's also been repainted. Turn the headlights off. Here's the interior. So we do have the status steering wheel. We're gonna get the hub adapter, and then the seats, of course, are gonna be replaced. This is championship white, as you guys know from the last video, was done by South County Auto Body. And the cool thing is the interior is also gonna be black and red, so people think it looks like a mini Type R Acty. So we're happy with how it came out. As you guys could tell, it's really small. Further I walk back, it looks like a little toy car. So yeah, we're gonna finish off the seats, finish off the interior with the steering wheel from Status, the rear wing that's coming from Japan, and then the other stuff we want to do for this one, since it's a daily driver, we want to make a side panel piece here to kind of cover the gas tank, and then we're going to end up lowering it. But we did order a set of secondary tires, the 175-50, similar to what we have on the other Acty, and then we'll be able to lower it. We're deciding between doing air suspension and coilovers, which seem to be the most popular for this car. So maybe one will be on coilovers, one will be on air, or both be on air. But they drive great. They look awesome, and we're super stoked with how it came out. So as always, leave comments below if you got any questions about the Acty. We'll answer them to the best of our abilities. And then also like the page, subscribe. Oh yeah, and then last thing, we are gonna take it to the mechanic. We're gonna, we need to put a new thermostat. As you guys saw, we also need to change the reservoir. We're also gonna put an optimal battery. And then we ended up getting the air filter from Japan, all the OEM parts to do it. And then we're also gonna work with our partners at Pennzoil, do an oil change, air filter change, and then it'll be ready for the road. So here she is.